In this video tutorial, you will learn how to make infinity symbol in Adobe Illustrator. Grab the type tool, click once on the artboard, increase the font size, go to type, glyphs. This is the glyph panel. Let me place it here. Make sure that entire font option is selected. Also make sure that Myriad Pro is selected, which is the default font in Adobe Illustrator. Other typefaces also have this infinity sign, but we will discuss these later in this video. As you can see, we have many symbols here. We can zoom in these symbols to quickly find these symbols. When you place the scrolling bar in the middle, you can see this infinity sign here. Double click on this. As you can see, the infinity sign is created. Now select this by using selection tool. You can resize this by pressing shift key for perfect resizing. Now if you double click on this, you can notice that Illustrator is treating this symbol as a text. So right click and create outlines. Now this is the perfect infinity symbol. You can use the direct selection tool to edit this symbol. You can create as many shapes as much you want. Now here is the bonus tip. When you open glyph panel, as you can see, this is the default infinity shape. Let me increase the font size. If you change the typefaces, you can create different types of infinity symbols. For example, if I choose the Oswald typeface, you can create infinity symbol like this. If you choose the Open Sans font, you can create infinity symbol like this. So try these different typefaces and you will notice some amazing infinity symbols here in Illustrator. So I hope you have learned how to make infinity symbol in Adobe Illustrator. If you have any question related to this tutorial, you can comment below. I will definitely try to answer your all questions. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching.